Hello everyone. We are continuing our search for spring decorations. Today I'm going to be hopping into a Goodwill that is local to me. I have a lot of Goodwills local to me actually, which is really nice. And then I think I may head over to Fur Kids, which is a really fantastic thrift store. I've shown you guys a couple of times before in some videos. Let's get inside and see what we can find. Actually some cute stuff up here at the front. Kind of have like a little spring decor. Oh, and there's some over here too. These are cute. $6. Pretty blue lamp. Okay, got distracted. Let's come back over here because what caught my eye is this little, oh, it comes with the plates? No, that's separate. Is this a little picnic basket? Oh, wow, it's a little tea set. Oh, it's actually really nice. This is not plastic, so I think right now for my daughter it would be a little too breakable. For $9, not too bad, and it's pretty much brand new. It looks like no one's ever used it. Pretty pink basket and a pretty pink pillow. Love this color. Like a dusty rose. For $2, it's a really cute accent pillow. Okay, let's keep looking. It'll be good for my little betta fish. It's kind of wide though. Let's look at these little stems. I don't really need any of these. Are kind of like a reddish color, but they look pretty nice. Maybe it all comes together. Let's see. $5, not bad. This glass. Home Goods. It's a pretty color. $5. Could look cute with some flowers in it. I usually get lucky on this aisle of random things, so I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. Here's something pretty hot. Here's the price. $7. It's pretty big. Here we go. This is kind of cool for outside, and these look pretty heavy duty. Let's see how much they are. $2 each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Not bad. I might need to think about that. I love seeing candles, and this hasn't even been burned. This is pretty though. You can always use these outside. Here's some furniture. Not really spotting any little table. We'll keep looking around. Well, there's some over there, but I think those are more for inside. Not really any outdoor pieces, unfortunately. Ooh, I just saw something very random, and I'm gonna go see how much they're asking for this. Little plastic summer pool, $6. I don't know, that may be a good thing. Take a look at these massive wreaths. I mean, these are huge. And there's 2 of them, and they're really pretty. Let's see how much they're wanting for this. $9, not too bad, and it has flowers already on it. I'm assuming this one's probably the same price. Fur Kids. Sunshiny day. Bright, cute Easter stuff. Look at this little bird bucket. So cute. For 95 cents, pretty cute. I actually see another really cute one behind this bunny. What does this say? Happy Easter with pretty flowers. I like that this one's metal. $2.95. Another really pretty wreath. Let's see how much that is. Oh, that's pretty. Little thing to hang it on for $4.95. Oh my goodness, look at this blue. That is so pretty. I definitely don't need this giant platter, but that is really pretty. We have such a good craft section here. You can get stuff like this. $1, well, $1.95 with some discount. Look at all this craft stuff. What's this? I see flowers. Oh, little decals. What's this? More decals. Aw, cute. Beads. Scrapbook. Lots and lots and lots to see. Okay, let's check out the garden stuff. Grow fruits, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries. Pretty lantern, but no glass piece. Could probably find a glass piece for it, but definitely looks old. Hummingbird feeder. We have one of these, but honestly can't ever have too many. $8. Oh, I love these. What else do we have? Some lights. Here's another little feeder. What is this? Bubble bloomer. Oh, cute. Seeing so many pretty faux floral arrangements, but that's a really pretty vase. That is very cool looking. I hope today's thrifting trip gave you some spring decoration ideas and inspiration. It's just really fun to get out to these stores and see what is out there. If you guys enjoy that, please subscribe. Now let's head home and see what I found. Thank you for being here. Go out there and make today great, and I'll see you next time.